Are you looking for the most affordable metal roofing or siding panel? If so, this panel may be it.
This is the Metal Roofing Learning Channel, brought to you by Western States Metal Roofing. Download a free color catalog today at westernstatesmetalroofing.com.
This panel here is called Ag Panel. In this video, we're going to discuss the pros and cons of Ag Panel and all of the different things related to it. So if you stick around to the end of this video, you'll understand if this product's right for you. So Ag Panel is a very versatile, cost-effective panel that can be used in a variety of applications. You can use it for roofing, siding. Ag Panel gets its name because it's the least expensive metal panel, and quite often it's used on large agricultural jobs where price is the primary concern. Ag Panel is affordable and it's easy to install, so it's a great solution for a DIY job. Ag Panel is an exposed fastener panel similar to R panel or corrugated, and what that means is the screws are going to be visible and they're going to penetrate the metal. The dimensions for Ag Panel are it's going to be 3/4 of an inch in depth. The center to center of the highs is 9 inches. The width is going to be 36 inches. It's 36 inches wide, but you also get 36 inches of coverage, so you don't have any panel loss on the lap. It can be made to any length up to about 45 feet. Ag Panel is not compatible with a flat roof. You should have at least a 3-inch and 12-inch pitch, again, similar to R panel or corrugated. If you have something with less than a 3 and 12 pitch, you should consider standing seam. Here are the available options for Ag Panel. It's available in a 29, 26, 24, or 22 gauge, and it's available in an SMP or a PVDF or Kynar paint system. Because this is a low-cost panel, you do not normally see Ag Panel in the heavier gauges, such as 24 or 22 gauge. You also rarely see it in the highest paint qualities, such as a PVDF paint. Normally, when you buy an Ag Panel, you're buying it in a 26 or a 29 gauge SMP paint finish, primarily because you're looking to save money. Cost of Ag Panel. So Ag Panel is the least expensive panel. It's going to be about the same price as R panel, up to possibly about 5% less. And when you compare it to a corrugated panel, it's probably going to be about 25 to 35% less than a corrugated panel. Pricing will depend on the size of the job, the thickness of the material, and the type of paint system. To get a quote on Ag Panel, contact one of our sales reps or visit our website at westernstatesmetalroofing.com.